Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Can I just get a clarification from the honourable member? Is this fundraising related to school or any fundraising related to school?
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I'm talking about fundraising that is done in school.
For school purposes?
Yes, by the schools.
Still not clear, Mr. Speaker, sir. Because as we note that a lot of fundraising been held in school. So that is why I wanted to clarify whether the fundraising are for school activities, or for the school, or for any other purposes.
Order. Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. My question is about fundraising that is done in schools, by the school, and for the school.
Thank you, sir. The simple answer to it, as he might be fully aware, that the conduct of fundraising by schools, in school, for the schools, are clearly documented in the school management handbook regarding the purpose, regarding the approval process, and regarding post fundraising activities. Thank you.